Hey, beautiful peeps. Are you bored of staying in a typical hotel whenever you go on holiday trips or business trips? Then maybe you should look into Airbnb. Living freely with so much to offer during your stay? Welcome to Nyali. Today I'm showcasing a very gorgeous Airbnb located in Links Road, Nyali, Mombasa. I'll be giving you a tour of this house today so that if you decide you like this Airbnb and you ever make a trip to Mombasa, then a link info is down below. Coming here, the first thing you encounter is a gate because it's located in gated community. As you can tell, this Airbnb looks very beautiful and absolutely gorgeous. Now, for the price, this place is insane. Go check out the link and check out the price for this place. And for what you get for that price, you cannot get that price anywhere for a home like this. I'll tell you that. This is a great opportunity. Let me give you that assurance. Hey beautiful people, how you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Miss Candy JB. So today I'm going to be showing you an amazing house Airbnb that I'll be staying for the next 1 week. So come along, let me show you how the place looks. So anytime you're in Mombasa, I think this is the place you want to spend the days. This is the place to be. Trust me, this is the place you want to be. This is an amazing place to be, to just chill and wine and just enjoy your stay in Mombasa. Don't bother paying for a hotel. Airbnb is the way to go. And my girl is gonna hook you up with the best, the most beautiful, amazing space you can ever come across. So tag along. So come along. The house is A2. Welcome. So let me take you on a ride you've never been before. So the first place you see is the living room. Look at that. It's a beautiful space. As you can see, this is the place where we do as we say. We don't just tell you these are recliners. These are pure recliners. As you have seen, this is pure recliners. You're gonna get value for your money. You're gonna enjoy your stay here in Nyali. Just have an amazing time. So, guys, if you're looking for a place to stay in Mombasa, just want to come chill and wine, this is the place to be. You're gonna enjoy your stay here. It's very quiet, very calm. It's a beautiful space that you can ever think of. There's a swimming pool at the back side, and I'll be showing you the swimming pool in a few. So just stay tuned and come along. Thank you. Salimia watu kidogo bwana. Salimia. Next up is the kitchen. I want you to stop for a moment there and just look at that kitchen. Very spacious, very beautiful, very well lit, very well ventilated. There's enough air coming in. As you know, the temperature in Mombasa, oh my god, this place is just beautiful. It has everything that you will need. You don't have to walk in and out of the ice machine. It has the refrigerator. It has the microwave for the quick fix. It has a cooker. You want to bake, you want to cook, nothing is stopping you. As I had mentioned earlier, it has unlimited access to everything that you'd have loved to do while you are back at home. This is a home away from home. You feel me? It has the dishes, the utensils, the wine. Oh my goodness, wine glasses. Damn. Next up is the laundry area. So if you're coming to stay here for a long time, you are good to go. Very much sorted. That is it from me, guys, today. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, and see you in my next video. Goodbye.